Aaron, are you there?
Hello.
Aaron!
Hey, how's it going, guys? Oh my gosh, it's going so crazy. These are some of the wildest dudes I've ever met. Look at this guy. He's one of the biggest fans in the world. He doesn't even have. Oh, he's got a shirt. Good on you, mate. So it's all been a game of possession so far. What's your favourite possession?
Possession? Position or possession? Well, I don't know. I love the possession up front. I love the.
Well, let me just say I've just been possessed by the spirit of football. I love it. I bet you love it at home too. Hey, what? Oh, so much is going out. So much is going on back out there on the field. What's your favourite? Who would win in a game of UFC? Liverpool FC or Sydney FC?
I'm a Sydney FC fan, but
We love it. We love Sydney FC. Good on you guys. Hey, but it doesn't matter if Liverpool win or Sydney win. The real winner is football.
Leave it on, Chenny. Don't, Chenny. Leave it.
oh no! Oh no!
Oh no. We did it again. I ruined everyone's life. They wanted me to keep the Sydney FC shirt on, but it's about football today. That's what I'm about. You can't stop me. I love football. Football is one of the best sports. 11 men.
Okay, thank you. I don't know where this is going. I'm not sure I want to know where this is going. I don't know whether it's the NFL top he's got or the amount of black puffer jackets that are behind him. But Aaron Chang will leave you to enjoy the delights of the Cove there.